Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will help you learn to play Weight of Dreams on guitar. We'll start by mastering the core chord progression, which primarily uses just 3 open chords: G major, C major, and D major. These are fundamental shapes, and practicing smooth transitions between them is key to getting the song's feel. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. Consistency is more important than speed at first. Let's get started. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern. A basic down-down, up-up-down-up motion works wonderfully for the main sections. Focus on keeping a steady rhythm, counting out loud if it helps you stay in time. Remember, the feel of the song comes from its consistent pulse. Try playing along with the original track at a slower speed to really internalize the rhythm and dynamics. This will help you lock into the groove. Now, let's add a touch of the iconic melody. We'll simplify the main riff to make it accessible, focusing on just a few notes on the G and B strings. This isn't about perfect replication, but about capturing the essence of the song's lead line. Pay close attention to making each note ring out clearly and precisely. Even a simplified riff can add significant character to your playing, making it sound much more like the original. Finally, let's put it all together. Start by practicing each section individually at a slow tempo, then gradually increase your speed. Once you're comfortable, try combining the chords, strumming, and the simplified riff. The goal is a smooth, cohesive performance. Playing along with the actual song is an excellent way to refine your timing and feel. With consistent practice, you'll be playing Weight of Dreams confidently in no time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.